Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Play Store not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Google Play Store and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of Google Play Store. After clear data and cache memory, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. And after that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.